Okay, so this is example number 2. So the foot of a ladder is 4 meters from a wall. The ladder makes an angle of 70 degrees with the level ground. What is the length of the ladder? Okay, so the first step that we want to do is to draw our diagram. So the foot of a ladder is 4 meters from a wall. Okay, so let's draw the wall, and we'll draw our ladder here. So this is our ladder. It's leaning against the wall, and the foot of the ladder is 4 meters from the wall. So this is the ground. It's our ladder. This is going to be 4 meters. The ladder makes an angle of 70 degrees with the level ground. Well, here's the level ground. Here's the ladder. So this must be our angle that we're given, 70 degrees. What is the length of the ladder? So we're looking for the length of the ladder. This is going to be our x. So that's our diagram, and we've labeled it. The next step we want to do is write our let statement. So let x be the length of the ladder. Let x be the length of the ladder. Okay, the next step is setting up our trig ratio. So we want to know if we want to use sine, cos, or tan. Okay, so it's all going to be based on the angle that we're given. So this is our right angle here. If you see, we are looking for the hypotenuse. Remember that the hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. So this is your hypotenuse. With regards to the 70 degrees, we are given the 4 meters, which is right beside it, so it's the adjacent. So we're looking for the hypotenuse, and we have the adjacent. If you look at your SOHCAHTOA, that means we're going to be using cos, because cos is the one that deals with the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So set up your equation here. So cos of 70 is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Cos of 70, the adjacent is the 4 meters. The hypotenuse is x. That is what we are looking for. Okay, so we need to get x over to the other side. We need to get it all on its own. So if it's being divided by 4, to move it over to the other side, we're going to multiply it. So we're going to bring it up to the other side by multiplying it to the cos 70. But it's still not by itself yet. It's being multiplied by cos 70. So if we want to move this cos 70 out of the way, move it to the other side, we're going to have to divide it, do the opposite operation. So x is equal to 4 over cos 70. So we brought the cos 70 to the other side by dividing it. From here, it's simply putting that into your calculator. So we have 4 divided by cos 70, and it is 11.7 if we round up. So the length of your ladder is 11.7. You need your therefore statement. Therefore, the ladder is 11.7 meters long.